fearless adventurers. Who will it be? Could it be you? It appears the globe is looking for a far braver adventurer. Maybe there is someone else who can help you. But who? A wise choice, explorers. Now, let's see if you have what it takes to unleash our realms and their keepers. The time has come to unite our lands and unlock a world of adventures in 3, 2, 1.
And together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be a friend. Took a note that will stick it out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, hey, hey, hey. 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 No running to my arms. It's okay, don't be alive. Come into me. There's no distance in between our lives. Gonna let the rain fall. I'll be all you need and more. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be a friend. Took a note that will stick it out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, hey, hey, hey. 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 Under my umbrella. Thank you so much for joining us on our grand adventure. We dance
We battle!
and we explore the land.
But now it's your turn to choose your path towards destiny.
But the question is, which path will you choose? Yeah, you and me, we can ride on the sun. If you stay by my side, we can rule the world. Yeah, you and me, we can ride on the sky. If you stay by my side, we can rule the world. The stars are coming out tonight, lighting up the sky tonight. All the stars are coming out tonight, they're lighting up the sky tonight for you, for you. Oh, stars are coming out tonight, light on the sky tonight. Stay by my side, we can rule the world. Stars are coming out tonight, light on the sky tonight. Stay by my side, we can rule the world. Stars are coming out tonight, light on the sky tonight. Stay by my side, we can rule the world. Stars are coming out tonight, light on the sky tonight. Stay by my side, we can rule the world.
Thank you for watching the show. We would love to hear your feedback. Please fill out our survey located on the iPad in the gift shop at Adventure Point.
But do not go anywhere yet, because it is almost time for the happiest minute of the day. Are you there? I said it's almost time for the happiest minute of the day. But to start the happiest minute of the day, I need one more brave buccaneer. You, your hand was straight up. Yes, you, yellow shirt. Yes, come up to second here. We are going to count down from 5 to these lovely crowd of people. And then the happiest minute of the day will start. Are you ready? Yes, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, 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 adventurers! Pause what you are doing. You are about to experience the happiest minute of the day here at Chessington World of Adventures. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at Chessington World of Adventures.